Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Mrs.Abeer's Online Academy for Teacher Development, and welcome to this series of teaching and English language tips. So today we have a very short tip. Okay. How to teach the following sound? How do we teach the following sound? How do we pronounce it? And how do we teach it to students? Okay, so what do you notice here in this sound? If there is anything that is special about the sound, what do you notice here? Excellent, very good. Both of those letters are vowels. Excellent. Both of them are vowels. Okay, we have the vowel a and the vowel e. Okay, the vowel a and the vowel e. The name of this vowel is u, but we pronounce it as a. The name of this letter is e, but we pronounce it as e. Okay, so what happens when I have two vowels coming together in a word? What happens is I totally neglect the second vowels and I only read the first one. He's so happy because he is the one who's talking and the e will be silent. But you have to be very careful. I don't say it by the sound, I say it by the name. Okay, we know that when we want to read, we read by the sound, but when I have two vowels together like this one here, I'm going to read the first vowel by its name. So what is the name of this vowel? Excellent, U. The name of this vowel is U, so this sound is called U. This vowel is called U. U. Okay, this is how I pronounce this vowel. This vowel is U. Okay, guys? So, what happens if I have two vowels coming together? Not only this sound, many other sounds that have two vowels together, I read the first vowel by its name. Excellent, excellent. Okay, let's practice. So, this word would be rescue. 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 Argue. 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 Fuel. 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 Barbecue. 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 Excellent, guys. Very good. So I hope you understood this step. Okay, and this sound also has another pronunciation which is long oo, and we're going to talk about this in our next video, inshallah. Thank you so much for listening. This was Miss Abeer, and I'm going to see you next time, inshallah. Thank you so much.